In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix 404 page not found error. First you're gonna do is you want to go here and you want to type in cmd. Right click, run as administrator, click yes. And here we're going to run some commands. So first command is ipconfig /flush DNS. Run this command and let it load. Second command is ipconfig /release. Run it and let it load. And now you want to run this command ipconfig /renew local area connection. Run it and let it load. And the last command is this one, ipconfig /register DNS. So run these commands and make sure they are all loading. And after this, you want to run one last command, and that is basically dism to restore the health. So this is dism /online /cleanup restore health. So run this, and after it's done, you can close this down. Next, what you want to do is you want to go to control panel, and here you want to go to internet. So network and internet sharing, and here you want to find your internet. So click on your internet, go to properties, go here and find internet protocol version 4. Go to properties, and here use the following DNS. Type in 88888844. Type it like this and click OK, and then click OK and close this down. After this, I recommend that you restart your computer and hopefully your issue is fixed.